Today's video is going to be pretty short today. I'm just going to tell you a little bit of vocabulary that you might need when talking about food and places where you can get food in Germany. Das Restaurant, which is the French pronunciation of restaurant. It's exactly what you would expect it to be. It's just a restaurant. Der Schnellimbiss, der Imbiss, die Schnellgaststätte, and die Imbissstube all mean pretty much snack stand. It's pretty much just where you can get some light foods. Generally, this is going to encompass places where you can get some hot dogs and some kind of sausage and maybe some French fries and currywurst and that kind of thing. Das Café is a cafe, usually similar to an American-style coffee shop. Not really anything special, it's just a cafe. Die Konditorei is a pastry shop. This is where you can get some cakes and pastries and some pretty delicious foods. Das Rathaus is actually City Hall. It's not technically a place where you can get food, but in the basement of City Hall, you'll find Der Ratskeller, which is a restaurant that's in the basement of the City Hall. It's found in most of the cities that you'll find in Germany, but not everyone has one. It's generally going to be a pretty expensive place to eat, so if you're into looking for something that's a little bit higher class, you might want to check out the Ratskeller, but it's going to be a little bit expensive. Der Gasthof, das Gasthaus, die Gaststube, die Gastwirtschaft, and several other words all actually mean hotel, but most of them actually feature a restaurant, and the restaurant inside these hotels will actually be quite delicious, so you may want to check those out as well. Then the things that you can get while you're actually in these places, we have Würstchen mit Brot oder Semmel und Senf, which is actually just a sausage with bread. Bread would be the Brot part, Semmel would be the roll part of it, or if you want some mustard on there, you can ask for some Senf, which is the mustard. Das Brötchen is a hard roll. It's not usually hard unless it's stale, but it is kind of a thicker roll. It's not quite your usual dinner roll that you're going to have here in the US. Die Bratwurst is obviously a bratwurst. It's a type of pork sausage. Typically it's grilled or fried. Die Currywurst is currywurst, which if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like a pork sausage that's cut into slices, seasoned with curry sauce. It's absolutely delicious. It's similar to something that you would see in the US as like a barbecue sauce covered sausage. Die Bockwurst is a fat red sausage usually made from veal and pork, mostly veal, but it does have a little bit of pork in it generally. Die Frankfurter is a seasoned smoked sausage typically made of beef or pork, similar to an American hot dog and usually sold in pairs. Das Brathähnchen is a roasted or grilled chicken. Der Kuchen is a cake. Die Torte is a fancy cake, it's kind of a tart. Eine Tasse Kaffee is a cup of coffee, and das Eis is ice cream. Okay, back to the first slideshow. Here we have das Restaurant, restaurant, der Schnellimbiss, der Imbiss, die Schnellgaststätte, die Imbissstube, all mean snack stand, das Café, it means cafe, die Konditorei is a pastry shop, das Rathaus is a city hall, der Ratskeller is a restaurant, the basement of the city hall. Der Gasthof, das Gasthaus, die Gaststube, die Gastwirtschaft, all are just various words for hotel. Würstchen is sausage, Brot is bread, Semmel is a roll, Senf is mustard, das Brötchen is a hard roll, die Bratwurst is a bratwurst, die Currywurst is currywurst, Die Bockwurst is a red sausage. Die Frankfurter is also a type of sausage, similar to an American hot dog. Das Brathähnchen is roasted or grilled chicken. Der Kuchen is a cake. Die Torte is a fancy cake. Eine Tasse Kaffee is a cup of coffee. And das Eis is ice cream. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.